guys, welcome back. Today's video I'm going to be doing a colorful eye look, and I'm going in right with the Dose of Color Meet Your Hue foundation in shade 117. If you guys haven't tried this foundation, you guys need to try it. And then I'm going to be going in with the concealer in number 10 and blending it out under my eyes. I love this concealer. It glides on so nicely, it blends really nicely, and it looks very, very natural. So if you guys haven't tried it, you guys need to try it. And now I'm going to be taking the Anastasia Saddle Bronzer and just bronzing my cheeks. And I'm going to be also bronzing my jawline, bringing it down to my neck, because bringing it down to your neck is very important. You don't want your neck to be one color and your face to be another color. And now I'm taking the P. Louise base in Blank Canvas, and I'm just prepping my eyes for eyeshadow. And I'm taking the Morphe 173 brush. It's like a buffer brush, so it's going to buff everything out really nicely. And yeah guys, I really love this brush. If you guys haven't tried it, y'all need it. Now I'm going to be taking the Mama Mitchell Me, Myself, and I palette. And I'm going to be using that yellow, orange, and red shade, as you guys can see. I think this is an E17 brush from Morphe. I'm just packing it onto like 1/3 of my eyelids. And then I'm going to be going in with the orange and doing the same exact thing I did with the yellow, and just making sure I'm blending everything really nicely. You don't want any harsh lines, and you know, you don't want it to look like you see like where the yellow starts and the orange and everything. You want it to blend really, really nicely all together. So yeah, so I'm just making sure I blend that out very well. Doing the same thing to the other eye. I'm doing like packing motions, more like pressing motions, like pat, 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 if that makes any sense. Now I'm going in with the last shade, which is the red, and I'm going in kind of like a C motion on the outer corner, because later on we're gonna cut that out. We're gonna cut it and make it look more like sharp. So that's what I'm doing, making sure I'm blending. The whole key to this look is blending, blending, blending until your hands fall off. That is the goal. That is the goal with any eye look. If you guys are trying to achieve a perfect eye look, blending is literally very crucial. The brushes are very important. And yeah guys, so just make sure you're blending the outer corner, blending the inner corner, blending, blending, blending. It does not stop. And a lot of people always ask me like how I get my eyeshadow look to look so good and amazing. Honestly, practice is key, guys. So now I'm going to be taking the Inglot in number 77 liner and cutting and doing my liner and my cat eye. And now I'm taking some lashes. This is from Eyelure Lashes in dimension 126. And now I'm going to be going in with the MAC, I think this is Velvet Teddy lipstick, and I'm applying it to my lips, guys. And I'm going to be taking the Morphe Flower Crown Gloss. And yeah guys, this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed.